Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Gonna be a shorter video. I just want to share with y'all my online business bank that I'm using. Recently switched over to Found. That's the what I use now, and I've been very impressed with it. I was previously before that I was using Novo, and they're not bad, but I was just looking for something with more advanced features. More automations, different things like that. So I just figured I would share this with y'all. I know some of y'all have your businesses in, or you may be thinking about starting a business and you do want a business account. I cannot stress how important that is. You want to separate your business stuff from your personal stuff. But let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Let me switch over my screen. This isn't going to be a full review. I just kind of want to talk about how I use it, some of the features that I've really been liking, and you can just get a good idea for just what you can expect if you check out Found. So this is the main website, and I will take you behind my dashboard, so you can see my dashboard. I will have my numbers blocked out, but you'll be able to see how I do some of my stuff. So first off, it's free to sign up, and they will send you a card. It's a nice card. I got this black one right here, and I've just been impressed, man. Like the dashboard, everything within it is very easy to use. I felt like with Novo, the dashboard, it wasn't my favorite. So that's what I like about Found. Everything is categorized. It's very easy to get to certain stuff. It's very easy to see your income, to see your expenses, to see your profit, your loss. So you get all that. And this specifically with Found too, it has all your expense tracking, as you can see, in a bunch of tax tools, which is very important. It even has an estimate where it will kind of estimate what it thinks your taxes are going to be. All right, so let's go to my dashboard. I want to show y'all. So the main thing with this that I really like is the pockets. So you have these different pockets that you can set up, and I'll show y'all mine. So I have my primary pocket, my taxes, emergency saving, and reinvesting. So these are like separate accounts, and you can have money, you can switch out your money between these pockets. So it's easy to have all that stuff separated versus if I have it all together, I kind of don't know how much I have. So I really like that I can separate into these different custom pockets, and you can make these whatever you want. You don't have to have what I have, or I may even add some pockets later on, but I just like how you can set up these custom pockets. And with these custom pockets, it's easy to transfer your money between these pockets. And then something I really, really like is you can do specific allocations. So as soon as you get paid, you can set it up to where it sends a certain amount of money to specific pockets, right? So maybe I get paid and I want to send 20% to taxes, 10% to reinvesting, 10% to emergency savings. It automatically does that. So this right here has just been a game changer for me because I can set up my percentages, and then once I get paid, Found automatically sends the percentage to these different pockets. And I find that just makes it so easy because I don't have to come in here and manually just switch out money to each pocket. So, just trying to speed up my workflow. And I don't know, I'm just really trying to kind of get into automations, really looking to automate specific things. And I just think that helps because if you have a business, all those little tasks can add up. So anything that I can do to take one of those tasks off my plate, I'm all for it. So, and another feature that I really like is you have virtual cards that you can create and you can attach them to certain accounts. So I like that as well because you don't just have to use, your physical card. Maybe you want to just use a certain card for a specific pocket that you have. Because I like to do that depending on, which pocket I'm trying to use. So you can set up virtual cards for specific pockets. So I think that's a cool feature as well. If you're someone that when you buy something, you want to use money from a specific account and it's not always your primary account. I think that's where virtual cards can kind of help you out. And I want to mention two more things that I like. One is the report. So it's easy to see all your income, all your expenses, your profit, and your loss. So you can just see how much you're making, how much you're spending. And you can also do these custom tags and different categories so you can label specific things so it's all in one place. So you could label something like something I've done as specific type of incomes that I get so I can know where that income is coming from. So I could have specific labels and tags for that. I can kind of categorize my different expenses, maybe, like softwares, travel and meals, different things like that. So you can really, like, from what I've seen, you can label everything to where everything is categorized, and it just makes everything just so much cleaner and just easy to have everything labeled to where you know exactly what's coming in, where it's going, what's coming out. And I find that to be very important. The last thing that I really like is you can send custom invoices. So it's kind of like an all in one. You have all your business stuff, but you can also receive payments because you can send invoices. Now, I will say the invoices aren't very like customizable. It's just like a basic invoice. You could just fill out the description, the email, and then the types of payments that you accept. So it's very kind of basic. But I do like that it's in one spot versus me having to go somewhere else and create an invoice versus, me coming on Found. I have all my stuff in one spot. I can see it just makes it easier to track my business income because it's all through Found. So if you are receiving payments, you do have that option to send invoices with this. So yeah, guys, that's how I've been using Found business banking and just the things that I'm liking so far. I think it's great. And this is, I didn't even mention, this is the free version that I'm using. They have a paid version as well, which I may end up getting that eventually because you can do like more custom tags because you're limited with the free version. But other than that, I don't really necessarily see a reason for the paid version. Anyways, if you want to check out Found, I have a referral link in the video description. It's just a way to support me and support the channel. If you do use that link, thank you in advance. If you got value from this video, you want to see more kind of behind the scenes and different tools in softwares that I use for my business, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to make those videos and show y'all more behind the scenes. But drop a like if you got value, subscribe if you want to see more content. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.